Hi everyone, Nirupam here. Today I'll be showing you live trading using whatever fund I have left. You can see here from last Friday's profit. I had withdrawn all the other amount due to some other unforeseen reasons. Anyway, so I had this much of amount left with me right now in this demo account, and as you can see in pre-opening, Nifty and Bank Nifty's rates are settled, so we can take a guess that Nifty is about to make all-time high again, and Bank Nifty is about to open at around 44,950. So first, what I would do, I will just Nifty is opening around 19,600, so I'll add some contracts around this price. So let me show you. 20th July means this expiry contracts we will add. $650, 600, 550, 500. So six contracts of different strike price I have added of Nifty 50, and also I will add some contracts around the price at which the Bank Nifty is about to open. Wait a second. Yeah, 4,500 call, then 45,000 call, then 44,900. Sorry, 800 finally. So basically what we're doing here is adding some contracts close to the current price where Nifty Bank Nifty is about to open. It doesn't mean ki we will only trade in these contracts. We can also see for some other option contracts as well, but these are initially for observation and analysis purpose. I'll show you how I do the calculations and all those things, and probably I'll take one two lots, whatever I can get in that amount of fund. So let's see what happens, and let's see. So market has opened, and date and time you can see 17th of July, Monday, around 9:17. And Bank Nifty, after opening, Bank Nifty came down a little bit, and Nifty as well, like few points. Let me show you the charts as well. This is Nifty's chart, and you see, to know the direction of Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty or overall market, you need to merge all those things together. Not only chart cannot help you determine the direction of the market, or only FIIs or DIIs data or options change data. So you need to merge all those things, even global cues as well. So you need to merge all those things together to get the exact idea where the market is going, where the market is heading. Okay. So the time frame I usually use, and I recommend everyone to use, is 30 minutes for intraday. That's I don't know, that works for me. I guess will work for you guys as well. And indicators, I usually use two indicators most of the time, not always, but most of the time. One is very famous, you guys must have already heard about it. MACD, sorry, D, yes, this one. And the other one is Bollinger Bands. So here on 30 minutes chart, we can see it is market Nifty 50 is above Bollinger Band's higher band, and it is trying to come down from there. So let's see what happens, because global cues are not so good, but not so bad as well. Let's see Bank Nifty's chart. Bank Nifty's chart looks a little weaker than Nifty, and on a 30 minutes time frame, Bank Nifty's chart looks declining and on a downtrend. It means significant weakness in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. Nifty has some strength, but due to Bank Nifty's weakness, it is getting weaker, and Bank Nifty is making like lower lows every time. uh, let's see what happens. Still, I'm analyzing few things. I won't make you bore, so I'll just skip this part. We usually take first 30 minutes for observation and complete analysis only. During these 30 minutes, we avoid any trades that might lead to, you know, wrong trade and losses. So same thing we suggest our clients as well. So it's 9:25, you can see. So we'll just observe. If it's 15 minutes or 30 minutes, maybe we'll have to observe another 1 hour before we can take any decision, because it's not still clear in which direction Nifty or Bank Nifty would want to go, because they are like flat kind of. So there is not much movement as of now. So we will see. Let's see what happens. Let's check options change data once. You can get it from here. So at 19,500, there's a good support, but at around 19,600 to 650, there is good resistance as well. Not that strong, but market will resist there. And if we see for Nifty 50, PCR is about 1.28, 1.3. So that's positive, that's bullish, we can see. But at the same time, if PCR crosses like 130 or 135, that means there could come, rejection. There's a possibility if PCR is too much high, then there will be a downtrend afterwards. So let's see what happens. Still, I haven't placed any orders. There is nothing to show. I will show you when I place an order. After a few analysis, we are getting a good feeling that market will eventually go up because all those global cues and everything considered, and also because Bank Nifty is weak, of course, but there is good support around 44 600 to 700. So from there, Bank Nifty will bounce back eventually. That's the analysis. And also in Nifty, I've already shown you the option change data. So according to data, if we get it right, then I think we should take entry on the bullish side. So we can buy any one of those call options of Nifty, but we will avoid Bank Nifty for now because Bank Nifty is, a little weaker than Nifty. But Nifty has this potential. If we buy Nifty call option, then it will take us to another level. So let's see. Still, I haven't decided to buy which one, but let me update you in a minute.